Hello everyone, welcome back again to Mrs. Dewey Food Channel. Today I'm going to show you how to prepare the most authentic Ghanaian evaporated milk chips, which is called Achomo. I already have a recipe on my channel made with condensed milk, but this is the one they usually do in Ghana when they are using evaporated milk. So as usual, let's watch this video, leave me a comment, and I shall see you in a different Mrs. Dewey recipe. For this Achomo or chips, you need about 375 grams of plain flour. You also need 150 grams butter or margarine. You need about half a cup of sugar. You need some evaporated milk. I'll first start with half a cup of milk, and then later on I'll see if I need more. So this is half a cup of evaporated milk. I'm also adding some vanilla essence. I have here half a teaspoon of baking powder and also half a teaspoon of grated nutmeg. Pour the milk in a cup and add half a cup of sugar, and this is granulated sugar, and also add about 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence. Mix it well and keep it aside. Now in your mixing bowl, add 365 grams of plain flour, the nutmeg, the baking powder, and also a pinch of salt, and mix it. Now I'm going to add my softened butter, not too soft please, just a little bit. And then I'm going to rub the butter in the flour until I get something like breadcrumbs, you know what I mean? And then I'm going to add my milk mixture, but I'm going to add it gradually because we don't want to ruin our achomo dough. Do we, guys? Do we? No, we don't want to ruin it. Add it gradually until you get to this dough. So this is what we want to achieve. Not too hard and not too soft. Next, dust some flour on your working table and divide the dough in two. It will be much easier to work with one half. Dust some more flour on it and roll it down until you get a thickness of about 1 centimeter. Do not roll it flat, please. 1 centimeter is fine. 1 or 1.5 is fine. Okay? And make sure you have a rolling pin. Next, this is optional, but I always like to give it a nice form. I mean, when I'm in a good mood, so definitely I was in a good mood there, so I'm going to cut it and give it a nice shape. So you can cut it the way you like it, you know, basically. So this is how I like it, like squares, but you can make mini squares, you can make something that looks like fries, you decide. And then I'll sprinkle a bit more flour on it and I'll separate the chips because I don't want to be sticking to each other. Whilst you are doing that, don't forget to heat up some fresh vegetable oil and then toss it in the oil when it is hot. And this is it. My chips are in there and I'm waiting for it to be golden brown. But don't forget to stir it about 30 seconds after you've put it in the oil, and keep on stirring from time to time until you get the achieved color brown. So this is light brown and it is almost getting ready. Wow, my chips are ready now, and I'm taking it out of the oil and I'll let it drain. And this is it, guys. This is my Ghana chips, Achomo, Chinchin, however you call it. A close-up as usual, nicely fried. I'm going to show you inside. As you can see, this is what you want. And I usually keep it in a airtight container like this. This is an old butter container that I've washed, and I'm going to keep it in. I also have the lid. Okay, so what do you think about these wonderful chips, Ghanaian sweet chips? Well, that's my recipe. I really hope you enjoyed watching this. as I said, I also have the other recipe with condensed milk, so you can also go and watch that one, whichever you like. There's also a third recipe, a more healthier one, that I'll post someday. In the meantime, don't forget to like this video, to share, to comment, and I'll see you next time. Thank you very much for watching. Bye bye.